Morning, guys.
Morning, guys. So it's 6 a.m. in the morning, and we're about to head off to London Gatwick to go on a flight to Singapore. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Like we've literally been planning this for like
Since
six
November.
months. Yeah, like it's been a while, and we've been literally waiting for this moment. So we can't wait, and we hope to see you guys there.
We basically had to take the train to Gatwick Terminal because there's no way we were going to take an Uber. It was just going to take way too long to get there.
Here I am, just vibing. I was so tired from work the day before, so I had to get a Red Bull, even though it doesn't really do anything. But
Yeah, she's got like a caffeine immunity or something like that. She just doesn't get reaction to Red Bull.
we decided to take 2 suitcases because we just didn't want to carry 2 massive backpacks on our back.
We made it to the Gatwick terminal, the main one. We'll go get to the north one because our flight's in the north terminal. So we just made it out of the terminal and we got 4 free lounge accesses. So we just booked one for now because, bro, we got 13-hour flight. We might as well.
And we're going to show you
yeah.
how the lounge works and what you get included.
Exactly.
It's our first time as well.
So
it's a new experience.
So we're in the Gatwick North Terminal. So the lounge is, we're going to the number 1 lounge in the Gatwick North Terminal, which is going to be really interesting to see what it is. I don't actually know. Are we going the right way? No, it's the wrong way. It's the other direction. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I'm usually the director, but I'm not that great of a director. So if that's even a word, yeah, I'm really excited. Because we're like, oh, if we're gonna go eat something right now, we're gonna easily spend like 20 to 30 pound each just getting something in the terminal. So like, you know what? We got 4 free lounge access passes from Amex. We might as well use it and just get a lounge. So we get free food, get free drinks, and yeah, we're like it's just so much more better value for you. If you don't have the Amex Gold, you can actually get your first year free. So that's kind of a like good thing if you guys didn't know. And with the first year free, you get 4 free lounge accesses, and you also get I think £5 delivery vouchers every month. That adds up to 120. And like these lounge accesses are like £59 each anyways. So it's actually more worth it to get the lounge. So it's not a promotion or a subscription for Amex, but it is actually kind of worth it. So yeah. Okay, cool. So we're gonna head up to the lounge.
We're not sponsored by Amex, by the way.
Yeah, exactly. Just better note. But Amex, if you do want to sponsor us,
where is the lounge?
We want to, then that'll be good. Has the director got lost again, isn't it?
Okay, guys,
All right, guys, we're going to get to the lounge and we're going to find it and then get back to you.
After a while, we finally arrived. And must I say, it was so nice walking into here, seeing the flowers, the colors, the vibrancy.
Yeah, it was really nice. And they also had a buffet for us to eat at with some hash browns, toast, beans, just a typical English breakfast. I would say that the bacon was really good because that was literally the way that I like it. I don't like it too crisp and it's perfect. But the eggs were just not it. We did not like the eggs.
Not nice. One thing to mention is that it was actually quite busy. A lot of people kept bumping into us, so it was kind of difficult to navigate. But once we sat down with the views of the plane, it was really nice.
Yeah, it was kind of peaceful when we sat down. And here Soreia pouring some apple juice. It was literally like one of the best apple juices I had, at least. And also they had like different drinks options that you guys could choose.
Guys, the seat is so nice. Like seriously, we got so much like room. But also, these seats like recline so much. So like it's like probably the best like economy I've ever flown on. Like with Emirates, you don't get as much. That was the previous one.
Basically, we flew with Emirates to go to Thailand last year, so that's why I'm saying this.
You don't get as much like leg room, and also you can't recline as much. For Singapore, they've actually got a really nice like recliner system. The screen is quite big as well, which is nice. And they've got free Wi-Fi on board, which is another plus. And also, they give out hot towels and cold towels for refreshment, which only Emirates in business class do that. So I'm actually really interested. So nice. We're getting treated like business class in this flight, bro. It's actually crazy. The one thing that we could have done is literally earlier when we were boarding the flight, there's no one in business class. We could have asked if they had any business class available for upgrades and then tried to get like a cheaper one, but we completely forgot. But for next time, like when we're flying back to London, we're going to make sure that we can check because I think probably like from London to Singapore at this time, it's quiet. So there's not actually much business people like traveling, but it's literally completely empty. So
But even though we're not in business, it still feels very nice and we're very grateful, aren't we?
yeah, exactly.
Then the flight attendants started handing out drinks. Look how cute they look. I love their outfits.
Yeah, they had really traditional outfits, which I really liked. This is just us enjoying our time on the flight.
Looking out the window as you do.
And then we got our lunch. So Soreia got the linguine with some garlic butter and prawns. And then I think they also got some sides. So that was like smoked salmon and some potato salad.
I think it had papaya in it.
Yeah, it did have something in it. And then red velvet summer fruitcake.
Water, butter.
And just like the other extras. And then I got a chicken curry. I don't know what style it was. It kind of tasted Indonesian, but and then the same things as Soraya on the side as well: cheese, biscuits, butter.
I'm not normally a fussy eater, but if I'm being totally honest, this was so bad. As you can see on the look on my face, I was not a happy girl, but it's okay. I wasn't that hungry, so
Yeah, and then we had a little bit of an intermittent place where we got to sleep, do whatever we were doing, watching movies and stuff. You can see I was very happy watching the movies, and then we got the breakfast, and this came quite like late into the flight, like 2 hours before we landed.
and then this was breakfast, but yet again, it wasn't nice. But what can I expect from plain food?
Yeah, you can see it from our face over there as well.
While watching Mamma Mia, I wanted to do a face mask. So here I am prepping my skin just with a little white. And then I moved on to Garnier face mask. I put this on. It was so cold, but very nice. I definitely recommend doing this on a flight. It depuffed my eyes completely.
No, 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 no.
Might have accidentally scared the whole entire flight.
Just finally made it out the plane. Oh, that was 13 hours on that plane. Oh my goodness. I'm actually shocked we survived that. I'm so excited. We literally came out the plane and it's like, boom. Just felt the heat. Like it was like 28 degrees outside. Oh, so nice. I'm so excited. Wait, hold on. Soraya just went to toilet, right? So I got all the stuff. But I just noticed this in the middle of the airport. It's a heat up, like Japanese style. What's called warmable microwave food that comes out the vending machine. That is so cool. In the middle of the thing, and they already got the drinks ready for you as well. That's so cool. Wow, guys, this terminal is actually so nice. I'm not even joking. It's like probably the nicest terminal I've ever seen. Oh, there's your suitcase. I've got mine. And now we're going to get Soreya's. And we're out of the airport. Going to our hotel and gonna try to drop our bags off so we can go start exploring Singapore. Hey guys, welcome to our executive suite. So, got a little like appliances area, stove, like cupboards with a bin. We've got some cutleries and stuff as well over here. They really set us up over here, you know. Like this is like more of an apartment than a hotel, but you know, this is cool. I'm really happy with it. They got a coffee machine for us with some, which looks like really good made coffee. So that's gonna be Soraya's thing. I'm not really that big into coffee.
But I am.
Yeah,
Very
she
excited
is.
for
I
that
like
one.
matcha though. So all the matcha lovers, big ups to you. And then we've got a big, nice microwave up here for us to have ramen at night time, of course. We're in Singapore. Who's not gonna have ramen at night time? We've got all of these cupboards here for extra storage. And they also gave us like strainers and stuff at the top as well. So that's quite cool. Got this little like cupboard wardrobe. Kind of like a wardrobe, but more like storage.
So it has our little fridge. Well, it's quite a big fridge.
It's actually pretty big because it has a fridge and a freezer. So freezer at the top and then They even gave eggs.
I don't know where the eggs he imagined came from.
But they gave egg like sections down here.
Holders, yeah.
Which is really cool.
Well,
So
you never know when you want to add egg to the ramen.
Ironing board, they literally set us up so well. And coming over here, we've got our little like hangers and stuff where we're gonna unpack our suitcase, put all our outfits here, make it look nice and neat. And then look at this. Nice little king size bed or queen size. I don't actually know what size bed it is, but I think it's queen sized. And the main part, a nice little view, which is overlooking Little India, which is quite nice. And we get to see all the like skyscrapers up there. And then we overlook Little India, which is quite nice. We kind of wanted to be in this area because we had like good transportation, but also Little India is kind of well known for being like a popular tourist spot where we can get like different types of cuisines and stuff. So that's going to be quite interesting.
It's a nice vibe.
Yeah, we got like a little chair, an office chair where we might be doing editing for the vlogs later.
I would say that's more of a...
Or eating, same thing.
I would say that's more of a dining table, but
well,
it can be same thing.
There's no other office.
I probably
thing,
also will do my get ready with me on there.
Give us a little TV.
Yeah.
Next up, we got the bathroom. It's kind of small, but you know, it's actually big enough for me and Soreia. So, like, why do we need a bigger bathroom than this? This is perfect. Nice little vanity mirror for her to get ready with. I really like this place. This place is quite nice and modern. I haven't even tested out the lights here. Ooh, that brings in some ambience.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our completed room tour for the next 5 days, is it?
Yeah, 5 nights. And
let's just get one more look at this view. Wow. The fact that you can see like the Little India and then like the big city behind it.
Yeah, I know. It's really like lovely
nice
how they've built it. So this is the end of our video.
Thanks for watching.
And we hope to see you guys soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the process of us getting to Singapore. And we want to put out more content to you guys. So if you guys subscribe and like, then we definitely will. And stay tuned for the rest of our vlogs because
more travel vlogs.
We got a few interesting stuff coming up soon. Interesting, fun ideas and little like challenges that we got coming up. So stay tuned and hope to see you guys there.
Yeah.